What I wish I could do for the 15-year-old version of myself who used to sit on the floor of my bedroom in the morning before school, crying, with one of my mother's kitchen knives in her hands, just regretful and full of grief and hating my life and who I was. My name is Nathalie Louis-Charles, and today I want to talk to you about embracing yourself. I grew up in Flatbush, Brooklyn, and I am a Haitian American woman. Now, in the time that I was growing up, that meant a lot, in that the view of Haitian people was that we did voodoo, we were Haitian booty scratchers, and we brought AIDS to America. So oftentimes I was ashamed to tell people that I was even Haitian. And even being one of 4 girls, I was the darkest one. And my older sister used to call me Blackie. So I had so many reasons not to love myself, not to embrace myself. And getting older, I found that I was seeking out things to fill the empty spaces or to even mask and cover up the things that I didn't want to be with in me. Fast forward, I'm working, and I'm an adult now, and I'm working in a children's store. And I used to get clients that would come in and say, "Oh my God, my baby is so fat." And my answer to that was like, "No, your baby's juicy." Because think about all the cute things about a juicy baby. You see the cheeks, the chubby arms, the thighs, right? It's cute and it's juicy. But one day I realized I'm juicy too. And I realized I had the opportunity to enjoy and to celebrate every piece of me. Every roll, every dimple, everything. My culture, my skin color, everything. Because everything about me is juicy. And even in the spaces of feeling like, okay, well, I want to change this or that, I get to do that and honor who I am and what's brought me to this point. Because I realize you can't hate yourself into the version of yourself that you love. And it opens me up to so many things. So I want to ask a question, and that is, what would it look like if we all embraced ourselves? My answer to that is that in the space that we are in this world right now, we would realize that what divides us isn't what makes us different, but actually what makes us the same. So in embracing ourselves, we'll learn to embrace humanity.